Well, hello again, everybody. The snow is starting to melt off of everything, and I am glad to see that. It's in the 40s right now, which is very warm compared to what it has been, and I'm enjoying it. But I have an idea for a short video series involving this vehicle, and I would just like to see if I get y'all's opinions on whether y'all want to see this happen or not. Okay, some of y'all that have subscribed to my channel for a while, you remember the Cava Cruiser. It was a Chevy Cavalier that I made into a camper, and I had, you know, room to sleep in it and everything. Also, I had like kitchen in it, including a sink with running water. I had cooking, a place to cook, and that was all inside of a Cavalier. Now with this, there's actually more room in here, and I would like to see if I could just convert this into a small camper, basically. Now, I don't want to hurt anything. Everything that comes out of it, like the seats and stuff, I would want to unbolt and keep. That way I'm not messing anything up, because I want to be able to put it all back together too. I did the same thing with the Cavalier. I put it back together after I got done with everything. But what I would like to do is I would like to convert this into a functional camper. I would like to have it to where you have a comfortable place to sleep and you're not crunched up. You can stretch out. I'd like to have heat that doesn't depend on the engine. That will probably be in the form of a diesel heater. I have an extra one of those that I can install. I want to have running water with a sink, and I want to have a cooktop, a stove cooktop basically, to cook on. We need some type of entertainment. I mean, you can have like anything from just like a tablet or a laptop or something like that for entertainment. Refrigeration. Now that will probably end up being a cooler, but is that something y'all would be interested in seeing me do with this vehicle? Or y'all have any other ideas of what we can do with this? Because seems to be a good little outfit. It runs good. It climbs amazing. Okay, something else I had considered. The rooftop tent up here on top. Now you could sleep on top of this vehicle. It has enough room. Seems to be enough room to sleep for two people. So, hey, maybe. Yeah, apparently the roof on these things is not very strong, but it does have enough strength on the sides that I could mount. I think that may end up being the way we go, but yeah. That would be kind of neat. Have a rooftop tent. That leaves more room on the bottom for your storage, for your kitchen and living room, bathroom. I'm not sure about the bathroom yet, but we're going to figure something like that out. I think it will work. Now let's take a little walk around of this thing and see what all we've got. Okay, so basically y'all have already seen the tractor in my Will It Run video, where I bought it and brought it home, or basically got it for scrap price. But it now runs really good. It's still dirty. I'm not too worried about that. I can clean it all up. If I'm going to do all this stuff to it, it's going to get dirty anyway. Okay, so what we have inside here, let me open up another door. We have the seat that folds down, but down here there are hinges. Yeah, Down here there are hinges that I can unbolt. I have to pop all that plastic off and unbolt, and basically this whole seat can come out of there. That would give us a little more room. Now, it folds up pretty easy. You just pull that lever, it folds up. But it doesn't come out that easy. You can fold it up, but then in order to take it out, you got to take bolts out. That's fine. That's just a bucket of junk. And this, we may end up sticking on there just because it might look kind of cool. It's a snorkel. And it goes, probably didn't ever show you all this. The snorkel will go something like that right there. And I guess you'd have to drill a hole in the fender. It's probably, yeah, it's all molded to fit the side of the fender. Now don't worry, the fender's shot anyway. We may or may not put that on, I don't really know. It would just look cool. But okay, so here is the tailgate, and as you can see, this I think could possibly make a folding shelf right here that would be perfect for our little kitchen. I would have a kitchen that basically has running water and a place to cook, and also like a countertop. Now, this is actually a lot of room right here. So if I could make a countertop that is that long by that big and make it to where it folds out, then when you open this door, you've got your kitchen right here. And the sink and all that would have to store. But okay, in order to make our bed in here, I think we would have to raise it up. Actually, may just be able to just leave the seats. Taking the seats out would give me room to put the portable toilet in there though. But anyway, I think if we raised up the platform enough, we could have a platform here, fold the seat forward, and have it to where it basically either folds up like that or has a hinge that folds back or something. We can have a pretty good sized mattress in here. Now for daytime, I guess you would have to use the front seats, I suppose. Now if you had the rooftop tent up here, now that would allow for us to do more with this in here. I have some ideas, but I'm going to kind of save them. The kitchen idea I do like though. But yeah, that's a pretty good size space right there to have. And we can put storage on the door. This needs fixed and all that, but no big deal. So yeah, I think we could do something with this little vehicle. Yes, it's rusty. There is room in the floorboard for storage. I mean, you can store all kinds of stuff in there and still have the bed inside. So yeah. Door's tricky to get open. Okay, yeah. I mean, I think the thing is in good enough shape we can do something with it. So, alright, what do y'all think? Is this our next camper? And what all suggestions do y'all have that should go in this that you would like to see me try to build into here? Just drop any suggestions right down there in the comments and let me know what you think. If you think this would be a viable vehicle for camping out of, and what kind of suggestions that you would have. Another little note, if y'all remember, I have another channel, and that channel is Cave Branch Studios. It's linked down below, and I've got a couple more short films up on it, if y'all want to go check them out. I've been having some fun with that, and if y'all want to take the time to go and check that out, I'd appreciate it. And well, for right now, that's going to be about it for this video. Let me know what y'all think, if y'all think I should start on building this on camera. Anyway, for right now, I guess that's going to be about it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one.